Hey, Aaron Higgins here from New England Fire Cooking with some quick and easy surf and turf.
Got a couple of crab cakes, a couple of stuffed clams, and I've got some USDA choice tenderloin steaks. Got all this right at the grocery store. Season the steaks with your favorite steak seasoning.
Set your smoker at 375 degrees.
Got a small cast iron pan, put a blob of bacon grease right in the center of it, and I got it on the grill, letting it nice and hot. Put the crab cakes in the pan, and the stuffed clams right on the grill grates. After 15 minutes, give your crab cakes a flip. Should have nice crust on the other side. Another 15 minutes. Got a nice hot Weber Q, some grill grates for any grill. Set your fillets on at an angle. And here you go, you guys. Quick and easy. Surf and turf. Grill the steaks to whatever doneness you'd like. Get those stuffed clams and crab cakes piping hot, and you are good to go.